Hi, Matt Beyer of Matt Beyer Organizing with Purge Paper Piles Pronto in 8 easy steps. I've had several requests for the subject of multiple paper piles, and where do you begin?
I could just refer to other paper organizing videos I've done, but instead, here are 8 easy steps.
First, declutter paper last. I get it. Paper is the big category and you're finally ready to get to it. But trust me, it's best if you declutter paper last. To properly process paper, you need a lot of surface area, more than you think.
So grab some banker boxes and simply clear off your surfaces by separating loose paper from everything else. Break the non-paper into general categories. Then use the surface you have cleared to spread out and prioritize those non-paper categories. Discard and donate what you can and find a better home for the keepers.
When you have the non-paper out of the way first, you create 2 things. 1, a clear work surface, and 2, a singular focus on paper. 2, discriminate with paper. Of course, it's wrong to discriminate with people, but your paper doesn't demand fairness.
If you're looking at piles of paper, there's no way it all demands equal attention. I have addressed 4 essential stages of paper in past videos, which you should watch for clarification, but here are the essentials. Running files are the action files that you want to make a point of acting on. They should be in your field of vision. Sitting files are files you need to be able to find reliably in a drawer near your desk. Sleeping files, the big one, are files you are keeping just in case. Remote need merits remote location. Dead files have lost all value. Shred and recycle.
What's the best way to sort these 4 stages?
Give yourself a clear work surface. It's your #1 organizing tool because it allows you to spread out, prioritize, and process.
Don't try to skip this step. It's essential. 4, forget Ohio. You ever hear that piece of organizing advice that suggests only handle it once? Well, forget it. Why?
Because you've got a lot of paper and you need to work fast. Also, you must discriminate with your paper. Remember, it's not all created the same. The Ohio method would have you read, act on, file, or toss each page before moving on to the next, regardless of priority. To move fast, you need to limit yourself to the singular action of just sorting. Do it fast. Momentum makes magic. To make sure you are moving fast and to be sure you are focused, a timer makes a good reminder. Once again, I'm using the time timer from timetimer.com. See exactly what 25 minutes looks like and just focus on sorting fast. Your first goal is to sort by stage and return to a clear surface. 6, preserve progress. Remember, reducing large quantities of paper by sorting is your goal for now, so don't get distracted by filing systems yet. The best way I have found to keep things sorted and subsorted in the meantime is with banker boxes for stages and Ziploc bags for categories, years, and to-dos. You may not be able to reduce all your paper in one sitting, so what you don't want are loose, unidentified piles that may get mixed up, leaving you confused and discouraged from resuming the sort. These simple tools will preserve your progress. When you return to sorting, you will be able to see exactly where you left off so that you can instantly resume. Write on the back side of the Post-it note and stick it inside the Ziploc bag. so that the note doesn't accidentally fall off. 7. Delegate. You may feel that making decisions on sorting your files requires your unique knowledge. But you know what doesn't? Shredding. Perhaps you're tempted to stop and shred, but avoid this distraction. You can delegate shredding or hire a service. Also, once you have identified all the files from previous years that you are keeping, you could delegate that too. A friend or a family member only has to find the years and sort by year. Those then become boxes of sleeping files that you can store more remotely. This frees up a lot of space. Your focus on prioritizing is more valuable because you can't delegate that so easily. And 8, learn, don't return. So you've discarded dead files, stored sleeping files, and categorized the sitting and running files. You've opened up a lot of space in your home office, but how do you keep the paper clutter from returning? That's what's next in my filing videos, Organizing Paper Files Made Easy and Organizing Paper Action Files Made Easy. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.